Starting with the dual battery system build, we've got the 200 amp lithium, 2000 watt inverter, we've got the 40 amp DC charger. This is the battery monitor, that's the inverter, like wireless cable to turn it off and on. Got some cabling, some more cabling came with kind of the kit. But yeah, this thing's massive. It's slim, I can give it that, but it's just bigger than I expected. But I'm gonna have to hide that somewhere. Can power the fridge and probably some battery chargers and stuff like that. Nothing too crazy. Day one on the dual battery system. Got the inverter in, the 200 amp lithium battery, DC charger. We've got some fuses there, and also some like terminal blocks. That is going to be a red Anderson plug to my main battery, and that one, the green and black, is a solar input. Haven't decided on solar, on where I want to do it, or if I just want to do like a flexible like blanket that sits out of the car, or fix one on the roof. Not sure. So tomorrow, clean up all this, mount some panels here maybe, and still got to do that like angled bit where all the power points are and the battery monitor system. All right, got this panel all done. So from the bottom we've got Anderson plug solar, Anderson plug spare, 3 cigarette lighters, which would be USBs pretty much, double GPO. We've got the kick-ass switch panel here for all the switches and everything on, off and on. We've got the battery monitor here and the inverter off-on button. Pretty much don't really need to see it, but all lines up pretty good, so I can draw them out, get that in. Just got the panel sitting there at the moment. Cut them all out, so that's kind of what it'll look like. And then there'll be another piece. I want to try and make that kind of removable so I can get to all the little bits and pieces there. But it's getting there. I think that's a good angle. Everything's a good height. All spaced nicely. So that panel's been wrapped. Got 2 Anderson plugs, 3 cigarette lighters, power point, switch panel, battery monitor, inverter on off. Pretty slick. Switch panel is all mounted, C-decked, all cabling's all done on the back side of this. That's all that, so that's got to go somewhere there, but it's starting to come together actually. So that back wall and that I've matched with the marine ply C-deck rubber, whatever you want to call it. Alright, wet sound soundbar all mounted. This sounds unreal, pretty stealth, pretty slim, but that's controlled by this switch, and then it's got Bluetooth inbuilt, but that's going to be good for camping or the job site.